Okay, thank you. For my presentation title is Robust Distributed and Parallel Processing for Enormous Images Using Supervisor, Node, Flow, Nx, and Evision. Subtitle is For Remote Sensing by Artificial Satellites. My name is Susumu Yamazaki. Call me Zaki. I'm an associate professor at the University of Kitakyushu. My current research interests are system and social implementation using Elixir, Phoenix, Nubs, and Nx, and the satellite image processing systems by them. I'm a creator of the Pyramid series and a co-organizer of ElixirConf JP. You are here, and I'm here. Why do I process enormous images? My motivation is to build the satellite image processing system. Satellites can always observe the Earth's surface even at night and or in bad weather due to their principle. They can identify a 70 centimeter square object on the Earth's surface. An image from the satellite is a massive size of tens of thousands of pixels square. See the movie on YouTube in detail, titled A Brand New Application of Elixir and Pyramid Real-Time High-Resolution Satellite Image Processing. My first question for you is, what is a better programming environment when we process enormous images? Python? Absolutely not. Here is ElixirConf. So we can use Nx and Evision as image processing instead of Numpy and OpenCV. Nx is a multidimensional tensor library for Elixir. Nx aims to be the foundation of machine learning for Elixir. It is developed by Dashbit. It can replace NumPy and TensorFlow. It has accelerator including Elixir and TorchX. See the movie of introducing Nx by Joseph Barin at Lambda Days. Evision is an OpenCV Elixir binding. OpenCV is an open source software for computer vision. Evision is developed by Cocoa, available at GitHub, with integration with Nx. Presentation at ElixirConf EU 2022 by Cocoa will be available on YouTube. Title is Bringing OpenCV to the Elixir World. Setting for integration of Nx, Elixir, and Evision will be shown later. The second question, can we accelerate such processing? We can use Node and Flow to accelerate such processing with distribution and parallelization. Node is powerful distribution functionality, A node is any R runtime system with a name and a cookie. Nodes that share the same cookie can send messages to one another using the node spawn link. Node spawn link calls the given function at the specified node. It also returns a process ID of a stub process of the function call. We can send a message via the stub process ID to the actual process and to the outer node. Flow is similar to the enum and stream modules, although computation will be executed in parallel. Flow is 2.16 times and 2.34 times faster than enum and stream respectively, shown by the benchmark using the sample code of the word counter in the right document with a sample 2 megabytes text file. Then I propose to divide a large image into each computer unit to be processed more quickly if we can separate the image processing safely. Here is a horizontal image division sample. Here is code. This is a setting for Evision to use precompiled version. Remove if you use a platform on which Evision does not provide a precompiled library. Here is the setting integration of Nx, Elixir, and Evision. You can replace source file to any image file. Div size is the width to divide the image. This file is generated by stream with counting up and generate destination files to images here. Here is the most important of this program, Nx to batch list div size. Okay. Then next example is a horizontal image concatenation. Image will be trimmed by shape after concatenation. Image height, image width, and number of channels. Source files is generated by stream with counting up. Here is the most important Nx concatenate. And here is the trimming code, Nx slice. Oh, oops. Next. Since it's data vertical image division, here is a QR code and here is a link. Tiled image division is also available. Next, parallel image processing by flow. Here. Add flow to mix install. source files is generated by stream and make the stream in parallel. Here is image processing for each. And the last sorting by the counter. Okay. Next, distributed image processing by node. Here is an installation and usage instruction. Oops. Mix new distributed image processing. Change current directory to distributed image processing and edit the mix ex config ex and distributed image processing.ex and mix depth get and at the worker node ix with the node name and cookie, and at the main node Elixir with Elixir command with node name and cookie, and distributed image processing distribute worker nodes and images. Here is list. Worker stream is generated repeatedly. Whole process image. Worker receives an image from main. Here is image should be converted into binary shape and type before sending. Send to receiver and receive at receiver. Then call process images. Here is the process image. File name conversion and destruction of an image and image processing. And an image should be converted into binary shape and type, send to the sender, and receive file, image file, and reconstruction an image and write. Okay. The third question is, what should we do to prevent abnormal termination due to memory shortage and so on in the middle of processing? We can use Supervisor, which makes it robust for clustering due to consuming much memory. Supervisor is a specialized process for monitoring other processes. It enables us to create fault-tolerant applications by automatically restarting the child processes when they fail. Then, to use it, create a new project using the mix new command with the supervisor option. Then the supervisor code application EX will be generated. Define child processes as gen servers and add their module names or tuple with them and configuration option to children in the supervisor code. Then supervisor will start monitoring in the children. But there are technical issues. Evision may abort with the entire Elixir terminating abnormally because it uses NIFs. When a NIF aborted, it will terminate the entire Elixir abnormally, even if a supervisor monitors it. Here is source code, installation and usage. Okay. CD abort NIF and IX -X mix. Okay. Abort NIF has a push and stack interface. Pop will be empty. Abort NIF push 1, push 2, pop, 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 pop. Okay. The scenario 2, abort NIF, abort soft and restart soon the supervisor. The state will be empty by restarting. Okay. Push, push, abort soft, pop, it will be empty. Okay. But abort NIF, aborts by abort hard by NIF, but it will terminate the entire Elixir abnormally, even if the supervisor monitors it. Push, push, abort, hard, abort, entire Elixir. Okay. Then solution is, I propose solution HT pipe. HT pipe prevents the entire Elixir from terminating abnormally by NIFs. By spawning a child Elixir and communicating it with node. Here is the steps. Okay. Then demo. Here is the instruction. Okay. PD about NIF HT pipe and AX main node cookie and S mix. Okay. Here, scenario 3. About NIF. Push 1, push 2, about hard. Here, with some error messages. Okay. Pop. Okay. Here is restarted. About NIF, about hard by NIF and restart soon by the supervisor of HT pipe with some error message from logger. The state will be empty by restarting. Okay. HT pipe solves the technical issue that Evision may abort with the entire Elixir terminating abnormally. Then next, discussion towards integration. How about Broadway? Yes, this seems a good idea. Why? Because it can build concurrent and multi-stage data processing pipelines. It enables us to process enormous images in distribution and parallel. And it can make the pipelines robust. It can make them more robust by enhancing its supervisor to prevent the entire Elixir from terminating abnormally by NIFs similar to HT pipe. Then future work is integration using Broadway. Okay. Then my last message. I quite really want to come to Gerald Rocky's resort this time. By the way, I have a sabbatical leave opportunity in 2024. My first choice is to come to North America at this time. One more thing. My wife and daughter can make delicious sushi because they are the daughter and granddaughter of a legendary sushi chef. Please offer us a home base in North America in 2024 and let's enjoy parties every week. Thank you.